This is my two-stroke porting tool for transfer ports. It's based on an idea I saw from Alex of two-stroke stuffing. You can find him on YouTube or Facebook. What we have is a rotary tool on the flex shaft adapted. This is a 3D printed part, and a timing belt up to, there's two bearings inside here, and this is just a dremel tool, cutting tool. I really like this tool for cutting aluminum. And the problem with small bore two strokes is you can't get in there easily. So this has been designed to reach inside, and then you can carefully and that's all there is to it.